While everybody's working out on the pad, it's my turn to work on the grass. It's getting a little bit full again. It's getting a little high again. We have some dead patches around, which we discovered, like many other people who have discovered, we do have armyworms, but at least it's not out into the pasture area. So we're going to try and contain them here and do what we need to do to stop them from spreading out there. So let's go ahead and get that Husqvarna lawnmower out. And slowly but surely. There we go. So there's a couple of things Frank's going to do. The other day he was here and he put the guards on, right? It was the guards that you put on.
Yep, guards are on. First time we put the bagger on, we're having a problem with the pipe. Pipe came out and came over, and it comes into here, into this little flap that's on the side here. And what it kept doing is, just because it had nothing but these little plastic mushroom fasteners around here, it kept pulling it off and blowing the grass right up on Jackie. So what I've done is I went out and got these, just some nuts and bolts, and I got some thread locker, and I'm going to go ahead and install all this with these nuts and bolts. Okay. All right. So as you can see, I'm going to install these with the nuts and bolts. Very simple. That. And what I'll do is take a little of this thread lock, put it on here. Oh, you might notice.
Here, let the hygienist see her husband doing the top off of the plastic of poisonous glue. Uh-huh.
That tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And he's gonna be visiting me because he has a broken tooth. Well, okay, not me. He'll be visiting the doctor, but.
Said than done.
And is that black piece? Is that one of the pieces that you screwed on right there?
Yeah, that is. Yeah. In the last video, or one of the last videos, I showed putting this plate on, and I mentioned it goes all the way across the front of the blade cutters here, and I believe what that does is it helps direct all the grass to this side to come out the chute. You might ask us why I'm not putting that thread lock on these. Well, I'm not putting it on these because I'm afraid that we're going to have to take this back off in order to get it back into the shed when we're done. So, okay, maybe what I can do is put this in here like that, and then take this right there. Oh, almost. There it goes.
Maybe start it like you did the other one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. There. And push. There it goes. I'm in.
done. Next.
Here. This comes down. On there. And that goes on there.
All right.
There it is.
And when that stops spinning,
It's clogged.
it means it's
Or it's full.
full.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
All right. You're all set, honey.
Well, since the last video, Frank went ahead and started investigating and drove the tractor and was starting to figure out exactly what was what on the tractor. And what he found out was
That's not a clutch. It's a brake. So yeah, we got it figured out. All I had to do is drive it for a little bit and got it figured out. So why don't you go ahead and show them. We did get the rest of the grass catcher on. Everything's hooked up. It looks like it's going to work very well. This here that kept pulling out doesn't look like it's going to pull out anymore. So we're going to mow some grass, see how it works, and Jackie's going to show you how to drive it correctly.
So what I think I'll do is I'll just go around here maybe twice, and then we'll stop and we'll see how well the bagging's doing, okay?
Ta-da!
All right, let's see if it collected anything.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Working pretty good. It fills the furthest basket first, then the second basket, and then last but not least, it'll fill the last basket.
Wow.
That's pretty good for 2 passes.
Yeah.
Look at all them pine needles in there.
Gotta love pine needles.
I don't know, can you put pine needles in compost? I don't know. We're gonna have lots of compost. Okay, let's figure out where we're gonna put it.